Good evening everyone, welcome back to GSPseafishing, and we are here, you're here joining me at Dymchurch. It's around about 7 o'clock. Low tide tonight, I think is closer to 10. The reason I'm here, I did want to go to the North Kent coast. I did want to try float fishing for bass in the dark with live prawns, but there's like an 8 knot onshore wind and the tide is a little bit later. It's normally about 30-40 minutes later from Dymchurch round to sort of Herne Bay. So I've got an early morning tomorrow. I wanted to get some fishing in. Tides haven't sat exactly right, but I thought I'd come here to Dymchurch, fish it down to low, see if I can get anything. There's still a bit of depth here behind me. The sea is flat calm, can't feel an ounce of wind. So first thing I want to do is quickly set up a rod, get maybe a 2-hook flapper on, maybe a loop rig, 1 up, 1 down, something small, get some worm on it, get that out, and then we'll set up something to go for something a bit bigger. Let's do that now. I really am in two minds as to what to do with this smaller rod. The bigger rod, I'm going to put a ray bait out and hope there's some lake rays about. But I have changed my mind. I am now going, I was going to put a flapper out or a loop rig with 2 small worm baits. Now I've got a long range rig. I'm going to put a long range rig while there's a bit of depth here. Just get it out at the end of where the water pipe comes out. Just there. There's a wastewater pipe outlet. I sort of know where the end of it is. I'm going to try and plonk this out there, see if there's any bass for maybe half hour or so. So I'm going to get 3 worms on this, tip it off with a bit of squid, get that out now. These are, well, they're supposed to be fresh. They're not that fresh. They haven't been frozen yet, so. Three of these make up a half decent bait, like so. Just thread them on. Like so. Then on the end of that, just going to put a squid head. Very simple, worm and squid head, just like that. Gonna clip that up, get that out now. So on my second rod, oh. Did I just have a bite? Did I have a bite? I've got a bite. I've got a bite? Yes, I've got a bite. I've got a bite. I've got a bite. What's going on here? Come on. Come on. That's in close. Come on. Come on. Why has it disappeared? Right, I better keep an eye on that. That was just bouncing. Very frustrating that it's not now. Right, but there's something here. Second rig is a pulley dropper. It's pretty clean out here. And I'm going to see if there's some rays around. So I'm going to get a bit of fish and squid bait on this. Here he is in front of me. This is the one I used last time. I need to clean that up a bit. Oh, frustrated, missed the bite. I'll give it until this one goes out, then I'll check the bait, I think. Right, so what I'm going to get on there is a bit of squid and mackerel. Just trying to keep an eye on this rod whilst I do it, so I'm sort of doing it blind. So we are just wrapping up a sliver of squid with a sliver of mackerel, and that's mackerel back, and then half a body of a 4-inch squid. Bait elastic them together first, then get them on the hook, then bait elastic them onto the rig. So I've got this here like that. Let's get the last bit on. Basically going to take that hook, doing out again like so. Bait elastic that. Might be something on that, and then we're going to just come out the top, I think, of this one. Like, no, don't like that. No, we're going to come out the other side. I lied. Go through the bait, back out, like so. Now, it's not a massive bait, just big enough to put these 2 hooks in. So a dogfish will take this, a ray, maybe a little hound, something like that, or anything. Right, try and get this stump without getting it tangled. Do our best. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. Thin braid, it just flies out there. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. Have to get lights on. Lights on my head, lights on the camera, lights on the tip. And then let's check this rod. Now, I'm just looking in my bag here on the steps, getting my stuff out. And then look, on the steps, let's get my cat light on, just down there. And there you've got beadlet anemones, got more just up there, beadlet anemones, you've got limpets, winkles, whelks, all living on these steps. Amazing. Right, I think we need to check this rod. Do some knocking on this. Bit of a roll there. Right, pick this up a little bit. Bounce that over. Well, no, that bait is all right, so that can go back out. But there was definitely something to hit that. Definitely something to hit that. Right, something picked up. I was on the phone to Richard from Angling Direct. I've got a good fish on here. So, Richard from Salty Hooks UK was on the phone, ringing me about a possible fishing session. And I looked up and this rod was bouncing over. So we've got something here. See if I can get another light on. Come on. Get a bit more. I don't know what this is. And get some. I'm going to walk back. I'll get some lights on. There we go. Right. Got some lights on here. Let's see what we can do. Around here. The other rod is in at the moment, so we can get around this tripod. Oh, here we go. Right. And where is this going? This is coming. Oh, this is nice. Whatever this is a nice fish. Feels ray-like. The bite was very ray-like. Feels like a good ray. Good ray on here. Where is it? get this camera up, sorry people. There's a bit. Right, this is where I've got to be careful here. I could lose it here. I'm gonna have to get a bit wet, I think. So I've got to get in the dark up these steps. I don't know where it is at the moment. I'm gonna get wet here. Here comes a roll up. Right. He's fighting to the right. Right, where is it? Where it is at the moment. He's really tight round over that way, so might have to do a bit of rock hopping in a minute. Unless I can get him. Where is it? He's really over there. Where is it? Right, I'm gonna get wet. Oh, he's right down there. Where is it? Right, I don't want to lose it in that surf down there, so I've got to get up over here whilst keeping pressure on this rod. This could be fun. Come on, baby, don't lose this fish. Don't lose this fish. Where are you? Where are you? What are you? What are you and where are you? No, is it a hound? Oh, it's a ray. It's got a thorny. If I can get it. Could be getting wet here. It's not that big, he felt bigger. I just don't want to get too wet. But the tide is... it's going to soak me. Ah well, if I get wet, I'll get wet, don't I? Well, yeah, slippery. Right. Don't try this at home, peeps. Come on. I'm getting round. Right. That's me soaked. And here. I like to get him. Go on, go around the steps. That's what I want. I really wanted to go around those steps. Not easy, this isn't. Wet. So right. Oh, this is not easy. Let's see if I can pick him up. Come on, mate. It's tangled up now. Right, I've got to find this place for this rod to go. Come on, mate. Bit more line out there, I think. Bit more line out. Come on, into me. Into me, easing in. Come on, get that line. Right. Come on. Got it, got the line. Here comes the fish. Yeah, I'm going to get wet. Here we go, a thorny. Lovely, look at that. Happy with that. Hey, that's me wet. We've got him. Oh, lovely. See if I can get back over carefully. All this stuff is very wet and slippery. Get on these barnacles. They give me some grip. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Happy with that. If I'm careful here, I might be able to jump down without causing too much issue. 1, 2, 3. Voila. Still got it. Lovely. Pleased with that. Look at that. We've got a thornback. And I was on the phone to Richard, told him where I was fishing, and he was like, the rays are non-existent at the moment. So thanks, mate. I think that gave me the fish. Oh, it's a lovely fish. I'd say he's probably about 4.5, 5 pound. They're stunning. They really are stunning. Look at that. I'm not going to take him. He's going to go back. You see how he's hooked. There we go. Look at that. Just in the corner. Push against that. I want to get my fingers in there and crush the plates. Oh, like that. Now, believe me, I just got my finger caught in there and that hurt. That really did hurt. They are strong. Right, let me get my hooked. There he goes. Look at that. Beautiful. Right, let's get him back. Now, believe you me, I've just got my finger caught in his mouth and that clamps down, and it clamps down hard. Right, here he goes. I'll try and get him back into this sea. That was a mission trying to land him. So there he goes. Off he goes, swimming out. Lovely. There he is, just there. I think he's gone. Hopefully he's gone. Voila. Pleased with that. Let's go again. Right, first thing going out, let's get this worm out. Because I do want to get a nice bass. So let's see if there's any bass about. Get this worm out. Right, nice. That's out and that can stay out. Lovely. Then we get rebaited on this. Now I've just rebaited again. And I'll put exactly the same on. Obviously, you don't change your winning formula. So what we've got again on this is mackerel and squid. Let's hope there's more than one out there. Tide is dropping, which is good because I'll be able to get on the sand soon, which is where I want to be. I'm gonna walk down here, and here comes a roller. That's out there. Nice, pleased with that cast. Didn't know where it went, but it's gone. Ooh. Couple of knocks on the other side. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Very bass-like, but looks a little crabby. That I want. Let's check this one. A few bounces and that on here. Are we stripped? Is there a bit of weight there? Is there whiting weight there? That's what I'm thinking. No, there's weight there. You've got a fish here without knowing. No, it's gone now. It's gone. Where's it gone? Yes, that is what we had. We had whiting weight. We've got whiting weight on there. I felt that. I could put him out, but he's been out for a while anyway. So there we have it. We've got a tiny little whiting. That is ideal live bait size. It really is. It really is ideal. But I can't slide anything down that braid on there because it's too light. And I haven't got time to set up a live bait rig for this, so I am going to put him back. They are pretty little things. Look at that. There he goes. Got him. Right, it's on the blue rod. On a long range rig. Looks like whiting again. Got really what I want. Well, it's about low tide now. That one ray I had was 2 hours ago. The other rod is in. I've had a few bites, but I think mainly whiting. The ray rod is still out. I'm going to give it about 5 more minutes just to see if I get anything, and if not, I'm going to call it a day. The tide hasn't dropped as much as I thought. It's a reasonable sized tide today, but it's obviously not dropping as much and coming up higher. The coefficient's about 70 I think today, but still it's not a blank. Didn't get a blank. I came here thinking there might be a ray. I got a ray, so let's see what the last 5 minutes hold out. That 5 minutes is nearly 20, but still nothing. So I'm going to bring that in now and call that an evening. Well, that is the session done. Nothing, it's gone dead, it's gone quiet. I was only doing a short session anyway. Done 3 hours, 1 ray, 1 whiting. Still not the session I wanted, but the ray is a welcome fish because I haven't had anything recently. So I'm glad I found that. This wasn't the first venue I wanted to go to. I wanted to go somewhere else, but weather forecast put me off that. So all in all, I'm happy. I'm okay with that. It's not a blank. I'm okay with getting out and getting a fish. Next time, I don't know what I'm going to do or where I'm going to go. But Fuerteventura is booked. Me, Pete and Mark are going to go to Fuerteventura November. Hopefully get something special then. Anyway, stay tuned to the channel. Please subscribe. All the subscriptions help the channel to grow. And until next time, tight lines.